2-Minute Matt here with another how-to and two, because who wants to watch a 20-minute video on how-to? So today we're making strawberry shortcake in 2 minutes. And if you like the number 2, what? You do? Oh, I do too. You're gonna love this recipe because there's a lot of 2's in it, okay? So I'm gonna give you the ingredients so you can write them down, and then I'm gonna tell you how to put it all together. So 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2. 2 cups flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You're gonna put all those dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. Once it's in a mixing bowl, you're gonna take 1/2 cup of butter. That's 1 stick of butter, 1/2. You're gonna drop 1/2 cup of butter in there. It can be the whole stick, and you're gonna mash it up with recommend one of these. It's a dough cutter. You can use a fork as well, and you're gonna get that into a fine, crumbly mix. You're gonna put 1/4 cup of sugar. Actually, you're gonna need 1/2 cup of sugar, but you're gonna only put 1/4 cup in here. I forgot to put that with your dry ingredients. And then once that's all crumbly, you're gonna add 1 cup of milk and 1 egg, and you're gonna stir it up. That's your batter. You're gonna pour that into a small pan, like we have over here, and you're gonna bake that in the oven for 20 minutes at 450. You're gonna check it with a toothpick. I check it about 18 minutes. Pull it out, let it cool for 20 minutes. When you're all done, we'll assemble it with some whipped cream, which there's 1/4 cup of sugar in there. And 1/4 cup of sugar in the strawberries as well. And I'll show you how to assemble it when we come back. Hi, we're back, and I'm just going to show you how to prep this. This is the last little bit here. Now, I'm going to give you a little pro tip. You're like, Matt, I don't have any baking soda, or baking powder, rather. You can take regular Bisquick, because that has all this stuff in there, and you can use 1/4 cup of sugar, and you can use 1/2 cup of butter, and you can, go ahead and grind that up in there. And then you can use 1 cup of milk and 1 egg, and probably end up with a very similar result. So, when you got all this done, you're going to take your whipped cream, you're going to throw it there, you're going to take your strawberries, throw them on top of there like that. You're just making like a sandwich with this guy. Put it on top like that. A little bit more whipped cream, more strawberries, and there you go. Strawberry shortcake in 2 minutes. We're going to have my assistant, one of 2 daughters, it's taping for me. Try it for you. Yay. Okay, Tiffany, go ahead and try it.
Okay, I'm gonna get this, and I want some of this. Now.
And this is not made with actual sugar. We used coconut sugar, so it's a lot less sweet than you would normally have it. So there you have it. Thanks, everyone.